Hi guys, my name is Dida and welcome to my channel. For today's video guys, I want to share with you my summer foundation routine as you see it in the title. So for today's guys, we're gonna do this together. Like during summer I don't like to put too much or to wear too much foundation, and I like to go quickly. I like going quickly, sorry. So what I do, which is really important for me, is a primer. Primer is really important. So what I use to block my pores is this baby pore here, and a dupe of this is this baby pore here by Maybelline, guys. Yeah, this is by Maybelline Face Studio Prime Pore Minimizing Primer. I don't know if you see it well. Here it is. It's a real dupe for this one, which is pricey by Benefit. So today I'm gonna use the Maybelline one, then you can see. Shake it well, as usually. This is really important for me. As you see, even the texture is the same as the Maybelline, as the Benefit one, sorry. And I really like it and highly recommend it. Highly recommend it for those who have a big pores like me, mainly during summer. This is what I do. Then what I use usually is directly a concealer and a contouring. Yes, I don't use foundation directly. I first use concealer and brush. I use a brush most of the time during summer because beauty blender or beauty sponge pick up too much of the product, and when you use the sponges you have to use more product than usually, but with brush you just need a little bit, like you will see with me. Let's do together Fenty Beauty. I'm in the shade 130. I will use it just in the places I need, like here, 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 around my mouth. And here. And directly before blending, I let it sit a little bit, then it will be a little bit absorbed by my face. What I do, contouring. KKW. I use KKW one, not because it's the best or because I like it the most, but because I try it. It's easy to blend. It's on my vanity, but I have also the Fenty Beauty one, which is really awesome. I'm in the shade, by the way, light. Like this, easy peasy. What I like to do is to start blending. I start blending with my brush. Then I use the same brush and I go with the contouring, like this. Now, do you think I finished? No. What I like to do to go quickly during summer is to take a stick foundation. This is by Colourpop, by the way, and you can use also this one. What I like also to use is by Kiko. This one by Kiko, stick foundation, easy peasy. And I just go with the brush like this. I turn the brush, pick a little bit, sorry, and I fill the gaps. Like, I try to smooth everything together. And this is really what I do during summer. I just push it in the face. I don't do this, but just like that. Pack it, you see? And I can be sure about myself because I don't pick too much. So it's easy and quick. And here it is for me, guys. Let's set everything together. For that I pick a big fluffy brush and I go directly with a pressed powder, sorry. I don't use that much because I don't have that much product. If you're not sure about your under eye, you can take smaller brush or kabuki brush like this one and use it under your eye area like this. Face done, no pores. You can see a little bit of my freckles. It's done on purpose. A little bit of my blemishes also done on purpose because it's summer. And did you notice that during summer everyone loves freckles? Like this is trendy nowadays, so I just left mine naturally. Then I go with some contouring with the same Charlotte Tilbury, my fave. Powder contouring. And I don't do that much since I have my cream contouring. Then I do some blush. And of course some highlighter. Here it is for my lips. It depends on my mood, and mainly today, since I have this eye look, guys, of course I will do something so soft and so smooth to go with this look. Like this, but it doesn't mean that you don't need some gloss to make it a little bit shiny during summer. Here it is, guys. Never forget some fix spray. The best. And here it is, guys. This is so easy peasy. Anyone can do it. If you want a little bit of extra, just do it. By Colourpop. Ooh, I like it. The brush. So soft, by the way. Oh my god, this is really soft. I really wish you to see that. Look at the difference between here and here. And it smells so good, like really, really so. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my god. I really wish you can see this, guys. And yeah, just go for it and just do it. And this is a dry oil. It means here without and here with. It means it's not sticky at all. It's, look at this, it's blinding, right? And it's not sticky. It dries quickly. It's so beautiful. Here it is, guys. So if you like this kind of video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media. I love you so much. Enjoy your summer, enjoy your summer, and big kiss.